Welcome viewers to Startup News. I'm your host Abhishek. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app now. Top headlines for today are 4 Tesla models approved for Tesla launch in India. Amazon India launches Karigar Mela in partnership with Tribes India. Tech investor process, Envy buys builders for $4.7 billion. Now the news in detail are 4 models of Tesla have received homologation certificates. Tesla vehicles have been certified as being roadworthy in India and can be manufactured or imported by the company. Amazon India is planning to launch Karigar Mela in partnership with Tribes India. It will feature a dedicated storefront for traditional tribal and local Indian handcrafts. Customers will be able to access and shop from a selection of over 1.2 lakh unique traditional tribal and local Indian handcrafts and handloom. Dutch tech investor Process Envy has acquired Indian payments platform BillDesk for $4.7 billion to strengthen its PayU business. The partnership is expected to create a financial ecosystem that could handle 4 billion transactions annually, which is nearly 4 times what PayU does in India currently. Google will be investing 1 billion euros by 2030 to expand its cloud computing infrastructure in Germany and to increase the use of renewable energy. Bangalore-based Ruban Bridge, focused on the villages in rural India, has raised $2.5 million in fresh funding led by C4D partners. Two-wheeler buying and financing startup OTO Capital has raised $6 million in Series A funding round led by Matrix Partners India. Global Bees, an aggregator of digital brands, acquired the Better Home, a home care products company, as it builds its portfolio of digital-first brands and helps them scale. The deal amount was not disclosed. AFL Hyperscale and Sasmos Head Technologies have formed a strategic collaboration to other flexibility and customization of hyperscale, co-location and enterprise data center products for Indian customers. Powerhouse 91 has raised an undisclosed amount of capital and onboarding multiple marquee global investors, including US-based venture capital firm FG Fabs. Enterprise tech startup Brattle has raised $2.8 million in seed funding from Lightspeed and Sequoia Capital India. It plans to ramp up engineering hiring to build more integrations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.